My journey as an artist has been a winding path, filled with trials and triumphs. For a long time, I felt trapped in a cocoon of expectations. But as I spread my wings, I realized that I had the power to break free and forge my own path. The person I am today is not the same as the one I was yesterday. I've grown, I've learned, and I've emerged stronger, wiser, and more resilient. As I embark on this new journey, I'm taking control of my narrative, and I'm committed to creating music that inspires, uplifts, and empowers. This rebranding is not just about changing my image. It's about embracing my true self and sharing that authenticity with the world. I'm rising from the ashes, reborn and renewed, with a message of hope and transformation. Together, let's create a movement that celebrates growth, self-love, and the power of music to transform and uplift.